Hi everyone, Deborah Sunderland Coaching. I wanted to say you have more power than you believe to create the outcomes you want. It comes down to two places of decision making to lead to the outcomes you are seeking and desire. One, I'm walking my dog, 1 second. One is notice whether you are in trust, in a place of trust that all things are working out for you, that there are limitless possibilities that you get to choose from, and choices empower you. So making that decision from trust, love, and learning. If we have a learning attitude around the outcomes we achieve or have and want or don't want, then the world is our oyster. And we want to fail quickly, meaning we want to learn quickly what doesn't work. And the only way to do that is to be curious. So that's one place we can make our decision from. Can I just be on a learning journey? Or we are trying to make our decision from fear, control, and trying to manipulate an outcome, and we're holding on tightly. We feel that we should, we have to, this better work or else. And no fear or judgment if that's where you're coming from. In fact, 98% of the time, all of our minds are from that place, a place of threat, have to, should, I better. And from that place, there's usually only one option, and it doesn't feel good. And we back ourselves into the corner, and we can't see another way. When we are in control and attached to the outcome, we only have one way of thinking, and that is a limited mindset. And actually, that belief system has got you to where you are, but it won't get you to where you want to go, and most importantly, who you want to become if you want to have more joy and peace with many options. So the work is to notice, where am I in making my decision today? And if you're in that state of have to, should, I better, welcome that. Notice yourself and welcome that your mind is just doing what it does. It's trying to protect you by protecting an outcome. Now, we can't control outcomes. We can only control how we get to the outcome. And that's it. So appreciate yourself for noticing. And if you notice you're in that state of I have to, I should, I better, take 3 deep, long inhales. Do that with me now. Take a breath in from your belly, up through your chest, up through your nose. And when you feel your lungs are full, take another breath in, and like a little gulp. And then release all the way out your air, and let your release be longer than your inhale. Lower your shoulders, loosen your jaw, open your hands, and take another deep belly breath all the way in, belly, chest, nose, filling up your lungs, holding. And when you feel you're full, take another gulp and release it all the way out. Continue to lower your shoulders, loosen your jaw, relax your hands, and notice your feet on the ground wherever you are. And notice that you are safe in this now place. You have exactly what you need in this very now moment. Get out of the future, because that's where we go to scarcity and fear. And just notice all you have right now. Clothes, shoes, food, shelter. And now take another deep belly breath all the way in. Belly, chest, nose. Hold. Take another gulp in. And release all the way out. And notice if you feel a difference in your body, if you're more relaxed. Practice this breathing when you're not triggered, when things are going well, so that when you get into that state of, I should, I better, you can remember to do your breathing. I'm telling you this because we want to look at all opportunities, all possibilities. And we can't do that from a state of threat or fear. And that's where the unconscious mind lives for all of us. So I want you to appreciate yourself for noticing, number one, where you are. Am I open, curious, in a loving, trusting state, or am I in control, fear, and I have to. And give yourself some extra love to the fearful part of you, to the anxious part of you. Because you are not an anxious person, you're just experiencing anxiety. And do your breathing, and let me know how this helps you. Thanks so much. Take good care of you, because how you lead yourself is how you lead your relationships in every area of your life.